Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. It's mango season. Time for another mango dessert called Mango Sago dessert. Mango Sago is quick, refreshing and satisfying summer dessert popular in Asia. With juicy chunks of mango and a mango evaporated milk tapioca pudding. For this recipe, we need 3 to 4 mangoes, depends on the size of the mango. 1 cup tapioca pearls, uncooked. 1 can evaporated milk and half cup of condensed milk. First, we need to cook tapioca pearls. Boil water in a saucepan. You can add tapioca pearls and cook it for like 18 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you can make the mango puree. Add chopped mangoes to the blender. I added 2 mangoes and blend until smooth. In a bowl, add evaporated milk 1 can. Add mango puree. Now you can add 2 chopped mangoes and I saved some for the garnishing for later, and half cup of condensed milk. You can always adjust the condensed milk according to your taste. Whisk it well until everything combined well. After 18 to 20 minutes, you can simmer it for 5 more minutes until they turn translucent with a tiny white dot in the center. Now you can turn off the heat, let them sit until fully transparent around 10 minutes. Now you can rinse under cold water and drain to cold. Then soak it in a bowl of cold water and set aside. Lastly, you can add the cooked sago pearls to the mango mix. Mix it well until everything combined together. Now you can cover and refrigerate for 4 hours. Once it's chilled, you can transfer to a serving bowl. Now you can garnish with some chopped mangoes and chopped nuts, and if you have rose petals, you can decorate with that. Mango sago dessert is ready to serve. Enjoy this refreshing, sweet and creamy dessert perfect for hot summer days. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. Full recipe will be in the description box. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye, take care.